Hello everyone, welcome back. So far, we have learned how to add text, styles, and formatting to our web pages. In this video, we'll learn how to add images and links which make a web page feel like a real website. So let's start with the images. Okay, so here the image can be displayed using the image tag, and it comes with the two important attributes, that is src and alt. The src attribute tells the browser where the image is located, basically tells the image path or the url of it. And the alt attribute gives a description of the image if it fails to load. Let's say you're putting the image path and for some reason the URL or the path of the image is wrong. So then that text will be visible. One important thing to remember here is that the image tag doesn't have a closing tag. We say it as self-closing tag. So this is how the syntax looks like: image followed by the attribute source and the alt attribute, which is whose value is the image description. It can be anything, just like the example you can see here to the right side: image, the link, the image file name, and for the alt's value is my dog. This is just a description of the image that I have added. Okay, now let's quickly move ahead with the HTML link tag. Now let's learn that links are created using an anchor tag, a tag. We say it as anchor tag. So links connect one web page to another web page or opens a website when you click on it. So anchor tag comes with two main attributes, that is href attribute that tells the browser where the link should be. Just like the image URL, here we have the website URL or the web page URL. Now here the target attribute's value by default is _self. Opens the link in the same tag. Let's say this is the link I'm clicking. When I click on this particular link or the link text, let's say, it will open it in the same tab. It won't open a new tab and show me the web page there. If I'm keeping _self, the default value is _self. Opens the link in the same tab. Well, you can change it to _blank if you want the link to be open in a new tab. Now, these two options are enough for the beginners right now. So basically the overall summary is that anchor tag is used for HTML links. href just specifies the destination of a link. The text can be kept in between the anchor tags, and you can specify the target attribute and use _blank or _self if you want to open it in a new tab or in a same tab respectively. Now let's quickly build a small project. So we'll create a destination card. We will start with a heading for the place name. We'll add the image and we'll add the link for it. Okay, so HTML, let me put the head here. Okay, let me remove this and let me keep my favorite destination. Let me increase the size of it if ever, in case if you're not able to see it. Okay, now here in the body, all right, I also want to keep, let's say, my favorite destination. So I'm going to click on Windows and full stop. Okay, and I get this, and I want the earth emoticon, let's say. Okay, I got the earth emoticon. I am just going to select this and I can keep it here. All right, now what next are you supposed to do? Or 1 minute, it's not going to be visible, so let me just keep this inside the h1 tag. So my favorite destination. Okay, and here I can change this to favorite destination, and I can keep an earth here, the one that I have already copied from there. All right, now let me just quickly write an image tag. So image comes up with a src and alt, so I need to look for an image tag, oh sorry, the source of it. Let me go here and let me type, let's say, Paris. Okay, let me get an image of it. Go to images. You can load the images from your computer as well, but I'm going to show you how you can load it from the directly from the web. So let's say that you want to add this image, and you have to click on copy image address. Once you're done, you can go back here to your code, and you have to paste it here. So what did we do? We went to the browser, we right click, we clicked on copy image address. Okay, and we pasted it. Now let me just quickly scroll to the left side. Okay, this is the image link that I have. Well, I'm unable to see the alt tag. Let me move it to the right side and get it. Okay, this is taking a little time. Okay, so the link is really big. Okay, so now here we have the alt tag. So here let me just keep Paris. All right, so this is just a description, and I'm going to click on hide, and it is going to hide all of it. Okay, now this is the way I'm going to add the image. Now what next? Let me just quickly write a paragraph as well. Oh my god. Okay, I would love to visit this place. All right. Okay, and if I want to know more about it, I'm going to add an anchor tag. I'm going to add an anchor tag, and inside this anchor tag I have to put the href. All right, and I can put the target as well. So let me first of all run this and show it to you. So you can see that I got a destination. Okay, I got the heading and the emoticons, the image, and the text here. Now here a href. Okay, so I'm going to just go to Google and go back here, and I want some Wikipedia link. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going inside. I'm going to copy this link. Oh, for some reason it's not responding. Just a second, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to paste it the href, and the target I'm going to keep underscore blank. Let's see what happens. Okay, when I click on this, since it is on the online compiler, we are able to see the link here. Okay, I didn't keep the text here, so I have to keep a text here. Learn more about Paris. So when I do this, look at this, I'm clicking on the run and I have the link here. When I open it, so it's opening in a online, sorry, in a blank tab, in a new tab basically. And if I just keep here self underscore self, it opens in a same one. Look at this. Okay, for the blank it opened here separately, and for the self it opened here at the same page. So that's all we need to know. Finally, we added a link and an image, and try this yourself. Now you can change the destination, update the image, and replace the link with your favorite place. In the next video, we'll learn HTML list, which helps organize the content neatly. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe.